This is Senator Don Gates with a report from the Senate floor in Tallahassee. It was a special day in the Florida Senate today because as the senator from Northwest Florida, I had the opportunity to welcome two remarkable young scholars from my district, Ha Tran and Angela Alford, who have serious achievements in winning the Leaders for Life Scholarship. Ha Tran from Pace High School and Angela Alford, who's a senior at Niceville High School, are students who have become models for the whole state of Florida. Ha's story is the story of the American dream at its best. She came here as a 2-year-old from Vietnam. She and her family have sacrificed and struggled for success. Ha's perfect grade point average and her serious scholarship have earned coveted acceptance into Harvard University's summer program. And as a fellowship recipient, she intends to dedicate her life to the care and cure of the sick, the elderly, and the disabled. Angela Alford was stranded without a family. She's made her way in an unfair world by sheer determination and with the love and concern of neighbors who have become like a family to her. She has overcome every obstacle, survived every challenge, and at school, Angela has sought out the toughest courses, the most demanding teachers, and they all say this young lady is a real heroine. Despite the hardest of times, Angela Alford is the kindest of persons, reaching past her own problems to volunteer to serve others. But Angela's greatest service, and Ha's greatest service, goes far past their own remarkable successes as scholars, because they have truly become models for all of Florida. They inspire us. They are the best among us, and by their example, Ha Tran and Angela Alford will bring out the best in every life that they touch. I'm so proud to be among the senators who strongly support the Take Stock in Children Scholarship Program that have brought us two extraordinary young ladies like Angela Alford and Ha Tran. So God bless them, and God bless the good state of Florida. And stay in touch.